Good morning, everyone. Surprised? Why good morning? Because today I thought of making a video to show you how exactly a daily routine of a teacher in an online school looks like. Because usually we get asked questions by the kids that, ma'am, what time usually you get up? Ma'am, what time you sleep? You submitted the assignment last night at 2:30 in the night. So what time actually you sleep? What time actually you wake up? So kids keep asking us all these. Then I thought, why not make a video to show how exactly my daily routine is, what I do in an entire day apart from school, apart from taking lectures, what exactly, how my day starts, how my day progresses further. So this is how my day starts. Okay, right now it is around say 6:45ish in the morning. A few minutes back I got up. Then that thought was lingering in my mind since last night that I'll make a video on my daily routine. So then I did the camera setting and everything, adjustments, and now I am here sitting in front of you, talking to you, and I'm going to show you how my day starts, what exactly I do in an entire day, and how the day progresses further with the school activities as well as the household activities, because past 1.5 years your teachers are taking classes from home. So how do they manage everything? It's what the video is all about. So let's start. My day first starts with opening these windows because I do not like to sit in a I do not like to sit in a claustrophobic environment. I like fresh air, big windows, open windows. When I open the windows, the fresh breeze comes in, and that's what starts my day with a lot of positivity. So, opening the windows is most important. I don't keep them closed throughout the day, they are all open. I like big windows, open space, and open air. So, here we go, starting with my daily routine. After this, the next thing that I do is I go straight into my kitchen to first make my morning tea, because I am a tea person. My day doesn't start without I having my morning tea. So now let's go and make some tea. Here we are in my kitchen for the fresh morning tea. By the time the tea is getting ready, it's getting boiled, what I will do is I will have a fruit in the morning, and I'll have some water, and then I'll straight away start preparing for my breakfast. So today I have decided that I'm going to make upma for breakfast, but it keeps on changing. It depends upon the time when I get up, how much time I have in my hand to prepare my breakfast. The menu is decided upon the time. So if I have less time, I just rush up with some bread butter sometimes, or if I have some time, then nicely I make upma, poha, or anything that is preferred by the people in the house. Okay, so let's start preparation of the breakfast. On most of the days, before I start my daily activities, before I start my day, before I go out of the house, I prefer doing my daily puja, because that adds a lot of positivity to the work that you are doing, and it gives a good start to your day. So that's always a must for me. So now you will see me performing my morning puja. I'll lit a small lamp, and then I will continue with my daily work. This is how my small puja setup looks like. Here I am, completely ready to begin my online classes. I'll be starting teaching now, and it's around 7:50 in the morning. My lectures start at 8 o'clock, and I'll be starting my classes now, and it will go on till 10:30. But then we have some 10-15 minutes break, that is for breakfast. and then again it will continue till 1 o'clock. So now you will see me taking my classes. My next lecture is going to start now. So usually at 8 o'clock in the morning when the classes start, the lectures continue till 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So now I have my another lecture where I'm going to be teaching chemistry to my student. I have just thought and planned to do an experiment today with them because it's a virtual school, virtual learning. So then I thought that I'll demonstrate a small experiment to explain the concept of diffusion. So here I have kept some material ready on my table. That's the glass of water and some potassium permanganate. So I'm going to use that and continue to take my class here, and I'm going to show them the experiment on diffusion in this class. Bye students, we will stop here for the day, okay? Because it's 9 o'clock already and you have your next lecture that's going to start at 9. So we will stop here with this concept here, and from here onwards we will continue in our next lecture, okay? Bye till then. Okay, see you in the next class on Wednesday. Bye bye. See you. Bye. Bye. Okay, so it's 9 o'clock already and my first lecture is over. Now my daughter's school starts at 10 o'clock. So I'll be waking her up now, make her ready for her school, and 10 o'clock onwards I will continue with my lecture and she will continue with her school. I am in midst of my online classes, and there on the other hand behind me now you can see my daughter. She is also started with her school. Her classes are going on right now. So she is busy doing her classes and I'll continue with my lecture here. It's lunchtime now. I'm done for the lectures of the day, and now I'll be heading straight to my kitchen to serve lunch for both of us, for me and my daughter. For lunch, most of the preparations I do it the previous night only, because during the daytime it's very much rush because there are lectures back to back. I really don't get time to prepare anything for lunch. But yes, I always make it a point that rotis I'll make it hot, okay, because if the roti is not fresh and hot, what's the point eating it? So I prefer my rotis very hot, straight from the tawa. So I will make sure that I make rotis fresh now. I'll straight away go to the kitchen and I'll make rotis for both of us. Now you will see me kneading the dough for roti, and I'll make rotis for us. As I had already told you, my rotis for lunch are ready, and there is paneer matar sabzi also. You can see that in the kadai. And I'll be serving my lunch now, and me and my daughter will have lunch. So roti sabzi is going to be there today for our lunch. And I usually do not like making or shooting my videos or clicking pictures while I'm eating my food. So I'm not going to put that part in this video while I'm eating my lunch or dinner or breakfast or anything, because I usually do not like that anybody clicking my photo while or video while I'm having my food. So I'm not going to do that. My daughter is already here in the kitchen. 3-4 times she entered asking me when it's going to get ready. So I told her that I'll just need to take one shot. Now the shot is also done, food is also done. So now we both will eat. Post my lunch, I again resume my work because even though there are no lectures post lunch break, but yes, of course, there are staff meetings to be attended. Then there are collaborative meetings with my colleagues that I have to attend. Then there are papers to grade. Then there are multiple Excel sheets to fill in the marks with. So there is a plenty lot of work that I have to do after my teaching lectures are done. So now my lunch is done. My daughter will continue with her studies or she will play for some time, and I'll continue with my work in my teams. You can see here my staff meeting is going on. Now I'll be joining that meeting, and I'll continue to work post that because I have to check a few papers and a few assignments are there that I have to check for the students. So I'll continue with that till then. Earlier that it was already 8:30 when my lecture got over. So after that I start preparing for my dinner. So I keep a very light menu for the dinner. Usually it's some khichdi or some very light dal rice or something. So something that is extremely light is for the dinner always. Today I'm going to make some khichdi and papad for my dinner, and I'll also simultaneously prepare, I'll do the preparations for my next day lunch as well. Let's go cooking with teacher Sneha. Alright, my dinner is ready. It's cooked. As I had told you, I'll be making khichdi. So here I have made some khichdi. I usually prefer making my khichdi in the clay pot that I have because it really gives a nice aroma and flavor to the khichdi. There's some papad also. So both the things are ready. Now I'll be serving dinner. Oh, you can see that there is no mess on my kitchen platform. It's because I had to shoot the video, so I wind it up early. Otherwise, the cleaning part and all I do it after my dinner is done. So, but today I had to do it early because I had to shoot this. That's why. So I'll be eating my dinner now, and then I'll continue again with my work post dinner. Now I am at the back of my building. I come here every day post dinner for my walk. I make it a point that every day at least I walk 5,000 steps. And while walking, I sometimes listen to music, sometimes I talk to my friends, sometimes I watch also something on YouTube or Netflix or on the Prime or anywhere on the internet. I watch sometimes, I read sometimes on Quora. So yeah, these are the activities that I do while I'm walking. So I multitask at that time to utilize that time to fullest, and I make sure that I at least walk 5,000 steps a day. That is approximately for an hour. So this is my actual break time, my leisure time, my me time you can say. So, and today my daughter is accompanying me. I think so here light is the issue because it's already very late in the night. So yeah, today my daughter is accompanying me, and I'm finding it very difficult to find proper suitable light for this video here. So yeah, I'll stop here now and I'll continue with my walk. So see you then. Bye. Finally, the day has ended. It's around 12 past midnight. Okay, something around it. I think so. It's 12:15. Yeah, I'm checking my computer. It's 12:15 right now. I have finally done with my entire other household work. And I'll sit now in front of my laptop. I have already started this, and then now I have a few assignments to correct. I have to upload few worksheets for next day's homework to the kids, and then I also have to fill in one long Excel sheet into which I have whatever feedback I have given to the students, what grades I have given to the students, and multiple other Excel sheets after Excel sheets after Excel sheets. So this is what I will sit with now to complete. I'll just take my camera a little closer to show you. Okay, this is the Excel sheet I'm going to be working right now, which I have opened. You can see already the lights are dimmed in my house because rest everybody has gone to sleep. But now here I will sit with my laptop to complete my work, and the only companion that I have during this time is my night milk that I have in the night with some Bonvita. Yeah, I still like Bonvita, even though I'm grown up now. But yeah, that is something that is a habit which is stuck to me. It can't go away from me. So yeah, now I will continue to work, and this will approximately, usually it goes every day till say 1:30, 2 o'clock ish every day. If I get tired or if I get bored of doing this, I may wind up little early also. So yeah, this is how an entire day's routine of mine. Ever since the online school has started, I have followed this routine more or less the same. So throughout the day, whenever I got time to shoot some bites here and there, I have put it up all together and I have compiled this video. I might have missed out certain other things also because during the other day, there are constant communications with others happening on WhatsApp, like other teachers, other parents. We answer their calls. So that all also keeps on happening during the day simultaneously as the work of school and the household work goes in progress. Then there are some other small things here and there keep on happening. Some additional work keeps on coming in, and then you keep on doing that. So that all also happens simultaneously along with my daily routine that I have. So yeah, now I will continue to work because there is a lot to do, and I'll stop this video here. Hope you will like this video and you will appreciate all the efforts that not only me but all teachers are putting in to run the schools smoothly and make online learning a great success. So yeah, this is how my day looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Good night. Take care.